Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to check number of RAM slots and maximum RAM capacity using command prompt. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type WMIC space, MEM physical space, get space, memory devices. Total 4 slots are available. WMIC space, memory chip space, get space, device locator comma space, capacity. Total 3 slots occupied, 1 slot is unoccupied. Open calculator. One RAM capacity. Divided by 1024. Again divided by 1024. Each RAM capacity is 16 GB. WMIC space, MEM physical space, get space, max capacity. Maximum RAM divided by 1024. Total 64 GB, 48 GB is filled. 3 slots are occupied, 1 slot is remaining, 64 GB minus 48 GB is 16 GB. One slot is available for 16 GB. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.